What's the meaning of charming? Charming. Charming.
Charming. Charming. Charming typically refers to someone or something that has an attractive and pleasing personality, appearance, or quality. The term is often associated with positive traits such as being likable, charismatic, and endearing. A charming person can often captivate others with their charm and personality, making them easy to be around and forming positive connections with those they interact with. Overall, being charming is a desirable characteristic that can help individuals connect with others and succeed in social situations.